Open innovation theory. The open innovation model proposed by Chesbrough in 2003 aims to describe how innovation management processes needs to evolve. It refers to the diversity of the sources of knowledge which can be mobilized to generate a new innovation dynamic within the firms. Some of these sources are inbound while some others, quite important, are outbound. This is a new paradigm which is antithetical to the vertical integration model focused on internal R&D activities. It is the opposite of the closed innovation, which refers to the process that only or that mainly use internal knowledge. Chesbrough's proposal has garnered significant interest as well as induced the discussion and controversy. Some scholars regard it as a new kind of innovation process. Firms should implement the new innovation practices that ensure the preamble or permeable boundaries in order to take advantage of the diversity of the available informations by leveraging the external sources. Other scholars compare it to a way of improving the performance through innovation or to obtain a competitive advantage through the development of an ecosystem. On the other hand, still other scholars are more critical of the newness of the described mechanisms. They doubt whether the model is genuinely innovative as determined by whether its principles have already been observed. So it perceives those criticisms as a part of the debate surrounding the way Chesbrough's model fits historical empirical observations. A debate referred to here as a discussion on its external consistency. However, the open innovation model is also built on implicit assumptions that should be scrutinized in order to get a sense of the paradigmic characteristics, in other words, its internal consistency. This paper actually charts the unnoticed theme in the current debate on open innovations, namely the theoretical consistency of the model. These questions can be approached by studying the implicit assumptions on which the model is built. Taking into account the model's content, it can be suggested that one might have doubts about its internal consistency. The present paper argues that Chesbrough's model seems to refer to theoretical assumptions provided by different conceptual frameworks. Moreover, the model of open innovation is based on observed trends that have been present for more than 20 years. It is not necessarily a new paradigm. The word paradigm covers a set of principles and analytical tools designed to explain a whole range of observations and established facts. The issue here is thus to determine the degree of the internal cohesion of the assumptions on which Chesbrough's model is based. So the contribution of this paper to the debate on open innovation is threefold. First, it proposes the synthesis of the implicit assumptions included in the model. It starts by scrutinizing the content of the open innovations model by recalling some of the debates on its external consistency, then specifies the content of its two broad topics to highlight the underlying theoretical assumptions. Second, focusing on the technology market, the proper paper argues that critical uncertainty should be considered in order to understand the motivations for technology exchange, which is based on the trust, and patent market failures undoubtedly result from asymmetric informations, but beyond the acknowledgement of imperfect informations, it could be relevant to substitute by assumptions or incomplete informations and critical uncertainty. And third, referring back to the two topics, it can be seen that one might doubt the internal relevance of the double proposal related to the incompatible implicit assumptions. The paper concludes by discussing the future directions for the research in the area.